Somebody said they hate driving near semis, that it's really scary. To me, it's just like another car. It's just much bigger. All you got to do is just move away from them. It's really that simple, especially if you have enough room. I'm near a whole bunch of box trucks and semis right now. I don't, again, people just have these irrational fears. I don't know, maybe y'all are watching too many movies, Final Destinations, I don't know, but it's just like any other car on the road. Anything that's moving, just speed and find an opening and go around it. There's nothing to be afraid of. I don't know what the problem is. Are y'all scared on railroad tracks too? Like, what's the issue?